Alright, two things here. First, if you look at the title of the video, you know that this is a watch from Venezianico, and I believe there are a lot of contents which are kind of sponsored on YouTube. Basically, they send out a couple of watches to famous watch YouTubers to review them. But this one, I paid for this with my own money, so this is not a sponsored content. Second one, right? Bear with me. If you want to skip, please go ahead and do so. I had some problem with FedEx here, right? So the package was supposed to arrive yesterday. I waited, it didn't arrive. There was no status update. When I checked the status on the tracking, it said that I need to go down to the FedEx center to pick the watch up. And I called FedEx yesterday. I said, well, can you guys send it over to my house today? I'm in my house today. They said yes. And then after that, I waited and waited until about like late in the afternoon and say like nothing else. Then I call them back up again and say, hey, you may want to go down there and pick up on your own. And I escalated the issue. I checked with FedEx chat. They say, they found out that the sender, which is apparently this company, Venezianico, the sender, marked this package for self pickup. I was like, huh? Really? I was like, huh? So I had no choice. I went down there. I picked this up, from the collection center. So yeah, let's quickly unbox it, right? Alright, so this is the watch. This is the Redentore Ultra Black, right? So one of the reasons I picked this watch up is because of that Ultra Black dial. Let me just peel off the sticker here. As you can see, the dial here is extremely black. I think on their website, they stated this dial is painted with a Japanese Muso paint that absorbs 99.4% of visible light. So that is why it is that dark. Yes, it's really, really, really dark. And it comes with a kind of a smooth leather strap. It's I'm not sure if it stated the lug width. I don't have the dimensions at the top of my head, except for this is a 36mm diameter watch. So yeah, two main reasons which led me to getting this watch. First is the ultra black dial. Second thing is the case diameter, right? And I think they've done a pretty decent job. Let me turn on the light here. Let's see if it's gonna spoil the whole thing. Okay, so I think they did a pretty decent job by having good anti-reflective coating on the crystals so that we can really see like the dial is super duper black, right? So who needs the watch to look at the time? Basically, there's no minute markers around the watch, right? That's just the logo and the handsets. And this is absolutely stunning in person. I'm really liking that design and the black dial. At the back, let's just peel this off. I think we get an engraving of a satellite, or I think it's more like a satellite and not a telescope, right, above a planet. I'm not sure if that planet is even Earth, right, because with all the swirling, but I like the motif at the back. And the case design is pretty simple, right? There's no fancy case design. Of course, it comes with a very nice high polish domed bezel and very nice high polish top lugs. The sides are brushed, which is good. Okay, so I purchased the watch together with an optional bracelet. Let me just quickly try to remove the bracelet from the box. So how does the bracelet looks like? Okay, so there's no quick release, unfortunately. Looking at the strap, I don't think there is also quick release on the strap. There is no drill lugs. So yeah, you'll be pretty much needing tools and all that to swap between the leather and the bracelet. And I think the bracelet is pretty decent. It comes with solid end links. Let me see, how does the link? Okay, it's just pins. Right, I think it's just pin. I'm not sure if it's pins and collars, but looking at it, it's just pins and it's just a butterfly deployment clasp, still wrapped in plastic. I'm lazy just to remove everything. Not a lot of crazy decoration there, but I do appreciate that nice polish finish. Oops, the spring bar fell off. All right. So yeah, again, this is just, oops, everything fell apart. But anyhow, this is just a quick unboxing video. I will be wearing this watch for a month or two and come back with a full review video of this watch. And really, I'm really liking that dial here. Let's go closer. Yeah, I think you can only see dust on the crystal, but not on the dial itself. Right, it's crazy. It's super crazy. Well, when I zoom in all the way, I think my phone kind of like autocorrect the exposure, so I shouldn't be doing that. All right. Okay, I guess that's it for this unboxing video. If you're new to the channel, please have to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me a lot, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Okay, since we are here and since you're still watching, here is a quick look of the watch on my 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist. I think the case dimensions fits my small wrist pretty well. But one thing I need to point out is that, yeah, I mean, if you look at the buckle, it's kind of oversized, right? I mean, here on the top, you have that very nice, elegant, classy looking watch. And when you scroll and like, whoa, what's with the clasp, right? So anyhow, here's just a quick look on the watch on my wrist. So as usual, I will come back with a full review and I'm gonna say goodbye again to you the second time. Take care, bye-bye.